Let's now go to Gua Sha. Let's discuss reinforcing immune regulation, anti-aging, and beauty care chronic diseases. Reinforcing the immunity regulation function to enhance body's disease resistance. One of the features of the scraping therapy is treatment of illness in addition to building up the physique of healthy people. Building up the physique actually refers to the reinforcement of vital qi, that is, the reinforcement of immunity, which enhances the body's ability to prevent and resist illness. Strengthening the body resistance to eliminate pathogenic factors. The areas being scraped will be marked by bruise and congestion with shock, permeating the space between skin texture and subcutaneous flesh and expelling the wind, cold phlegm, dampness, blood stasis, heat, and pus in acupoints and corresponding tissues and organs through the skin and hair, which helps to smooth main and collateral channels. Exogenous pathogenic factors will take advantage to intrude when the vital qi in the body is weakened. The techniques of supplying deficiency and expelling excess, that is, supply vital qi and expel malignant elements, are basic principles of treatment in Chinese medicine. Patients with excess syndrome should be applied with reducing method marked by larger force and quick speed in scraping. The patient with deficiency syndrome should be applied with reinforcing method marked by smaller force and slow speed in scraping. For promoting metabolism, scraping the skin can reinforce the circulation of blood and lymph and fully nurture the muscles and nerve endings so as to promote metabolism all over the body. Smooth metabolism serves to reduce the incidence of illness greatly. Stimulating nerve endings by scraping can reinforce the immune ability of the cells and strengthen the body's defense ability. Getting rid of subhealth. The life of person in modern times is featured by quick rhythm, great pressure, and fatigue easily. Long-term pressure and fatigue are likely to result in a number of diseases. Frequent scraping serves to do away with fatigue, reinforce immune functions, and prevent pathological changes. The quickly cleaning the internal environment for anti-aging and beauty care. The process of scraping can speed up the backflow of blood and lymph, reinforce the function of phagocyte and the force of transport, expel waste and toxin in the body quickly, nurture tissues and cells so as to clean the internal environment of the body, purify blood, smooth the route of transmitting nutrients to the skin to resist aging and beautify skin. Next is cleaning the environment within the body and purifying blood. Composition, absorption, and energy transformation require coordination in all inner organs and the entire body. The slowdown of this process will delay the discharge of metabolites through normal channels, resulting in toxin and affecting blood circulation. Scraping therapy serves to bring out the blood with toxin and make it seep from the capillary vessels with permeability disorder to stay between the skin and muscles. That is, the appearance of shock. This helps the expulsion of toxin in the blood, invigorating blood dispersing stasis, quickly improving microcirculation, purifying blood, and cleaning the environment within the body, enabling the skin cells to obtain nutrients. The blockage of vital energy and blood in main and collateral channels also blocks the route for skin cells to obtain nutrients, leading to the lack of nutrients in the skin, pale or yellowish face with a lack of glow, dryness, and wrinkles. The delay of expelling metabolites will result in such skin problems as darkness, speckles, and acne. Scraping therapy can expel blood with toxin out of blood vessels, promote blood circulation, smooth the route of skin cells to obtain nutrients, transport rich nutrients and oxygen continuously to skin tissues and cells, quickly ease the lack of oxygen in related areas, and stimulate and reinforce the function of skin cells. Next is adjusting the functions of inner organs and delaying the aging process. The first concern of people over aging lies in the skin. In fact, skin aging goes together with the aging of the inner organs, except that we cannot see inner organs. Scraping therapy seems to improve the face, but it actually adjusts the functions of the inner organs. Normal functions of the inner organs in orderly operation can delay the aging process and make people enjoy prolonged health. Next is adjusting the yin and yang to cure chronic diseases. In normal circumstances, human body is kept with relative balance between yin and yang. There will be such pathological changes as yin in excess leads to weakness of yang and yang in excess leads to weakness of yin. When the balance between them is disrupted by outer or inner malignant elements, consequently, there will be such clinical symptoms as inner heat caused by excessive yang and the inner cold caused by excessive yin. Adjusting yin and yang. The key of scraping therapy for health care lies in adjusting yin and yang according to the attributes of symptoms, turning the body into the status of yin and normal physiological functions to cure illness. As proved by practice, scraping therapy can obviously adjust the functions of inner organs. For instance, those suffering from intestinal hyperanakinesia, scraping therapy can restrain their intestinal movement and bring their intestinal functions to normal via scraping their abdomen and back. For those suffering from intestinal hypofunction, scraping therapy can bring their intestinal movement to be normal. This shows that scraping therapy can improve and adjust the functions of inner organs and balance of yin and yang in inner organs. Scraping serves to adjust yin and yang in a bidirectional way. For instance, in terms of a person with unstable blood pressure, with related acupoints on his or her body and four limbs scraped, the one of low blood pressure will have his or her blood pressure raised, while the one of high blood pressure will have his or her blood pressure reduced. Curing chronic diseases. Chronic diseases are marked by covert and slow incidence of illness, requiring a slow process for the cure. While expelling pathogenic evils, scraping therapy actually serves to restore and reinforce the human function. The application of conventional medical treatment together with scraping therapy can get twice the result with half of the efforts. Long-term intake of medicine for some chronic diseases, such as metabolic diseases like diabetes and digestive diseases like gastritis, will do harm to health, while scraping therapy is very suitable. Thank you for your attention.